In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So it's really simple. So you just need to go here into your project, go into a sequence right here on the top left and click on sequence settings. Once you're here is that you will now be able to see the video settings and you would want to go into frame size. So in here, you can modify the frame size to modify the aspect ratio. So for example, here I have mine in 1440p or 250-60 pixels horizontally by 1440 pixels vertically. So that's 16 by 9 or 16:9. Or you could also go for 1080p, which is also 16:9 right here, 1920 and 1080 right there, and you would be able to see that it's still 16:9. So it would depend on the frame size on what aspect ratio you would get. So if you're not sure on the frame size that you would need to input right here in order for you to get the aspect ratio that you desire, then you would need to go into Google and search for the size that you would need for that aspect ratio depending on what you need. But most of the time you just need 16 by 9, and then yeah, you just need to input it right here. Either you'd go for 4K, 1440p or 1080p. And then once you're done with that, you're going to click here on OK. And then there will be a prompt right here that changes the preview file format or to the frame size. Require all preview files to be deleted. And this cannot be undone. So once you're sure you want to proceed, you can click here on OK. And then you would be able to see that the size is now changed. And one last thing is that you could also click here on sequence on the top left and click on auto reframe sequence. And from here, you can go for your target aspect ratio. So in this way, you won't have to input your frame size. And let's say I would want this to be vertical, 9 by 16 for reels. And once you're done with that, is that you can click here on create, and then you'd be able to see that it will automatically change the aspect ratio. So this is a much faster way if you don't want to do it manually, and you'd now be able to see when you play it, it's now in this aspect ratio, and Premiere Pro would automatically track the subject with the auto reframe feature right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.